All right, what's up, guys? Thanks everybody for the fill. Bowman Chrome Sapphire, Bowman Draft Sapphire. 2-box, pick your team 60. We're in a quick filler. Reds and Tigers, top 2 spots, draft teams. Good luck. Yo 11. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and yo 11. Yo. Wow. Wow. Dr. Gru. I'm sorry, John. I'm sorry, Tom. I'm sorry, Shell. Wow. I didn't expect that one. I mean, I'll just shut up. I'll just shut up while I'm ahead. Wow. Sorry. I'm sorry, guys. As if I needed any more. As if I needed to do any more bending over. I don't like to bend over anyone. That is very true. That hardly, rarely ever happens. That's very true. Random the Astros for you? Okay. All right, Shell, John, and Tom. I'll go ahead and I'll random out the Astros to you folks. Dr. Gru is a true gentleman. He's a true gentleman. Thank you, Dr. Gru. Good luck. All right. We'll round them off for the Stros. And TR. Good luck, guys. We'll do a dice roll again. We'll go 9 times for the Stros. Good luck. Just do Spina and John. Okie dokie. 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. John. John got in there. John got in there. Stros to John. All right. Good luck. Jacob Wilson. Oops. Gold of Drew Jones. Oh, wow. The Athletics is doing some work. Jay Sanchez gets the black of Jonah Cox. You got the black Cox. 3 of 10. Nice. Nice Cox. Yellow of Duno for the Reds. Base auto for the Mariners. It is not Emerson. It is Farmello. It is Farmello for the Mariners. Brent Gordon with the base Farmello to 199. Go to Brandon Winokur for the Twins. And that was box 1. Your search for Braden Taylor? I think I am gonna I wanna load up on some Jacob Wilsons just because I like the guy now. I don't know much of his stats, but I'll definitely really follow him this year just because he's a cool kid. I was talking to Lee Sue. She told me that she was also chasing Braden Taylor, so that might also be one that I might look into. I don't really have much of baseball PC or prospecting, that's why. So I'd like to do that. I'd like to get back into it. Shaw. Nice Jackson. Yellow for the Orioles and Porter. Another base, Jacob Wilson. We got a gold. No ink. Ethan O'Donnell. The Reds are actually hitting for Dr. Gru. Green auto to 99. Looks like a Met, maybe? Probably a Met. Oh, it's Colin. That looks like Colin. Oh, I'm wrong. Oh, I thought it was a fish. Colin Hawk to 99 for Porter. There you go, Hamboni. Nice hit for Porter on the Colin Hawk. Our last is a yellow. It's Montez. Oh, Shell, I'm sorry, Shell. I'm trying to make your packages happy. I try to make your packages have happy beginning and a happy ending. I seen, Rhino. I seen. I tried to give your package, Shell. I tried to give it the happy beginning and the happy ending. I tried. I'm probably not good enough. I'm probably not good. I'm probably not doing it right, Shell. Anybody know the Bobby Lee skit that they did? I think it was on Mad TV. I mean, look at this. I mean, I guess I just don't know how to handle. I don't know how to handle